Hi students, in this video we are going to solve problems related to integration using trigonometric identities, and the first question is evaluate integration of cos mx into cos nx dx when m is not equal to n, and the second question is m is equal to n. We know that we don't have direct formula for product of two cos functions. Hence, we must use different trigonometric identities to convert them into addition functions so that we can solve it. We know one trigonometric formula which says that 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Using that trigonometric concept, we are going to rewrite this question. So when the first question is when m is not equal to n, the question is integration of cos mx into cos nx dx, and then we are going to use the formula that I told you. 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Here we need 2, but here in the question we do not have 2. So what we can do is we can multiply and divide by 2, so that the question becomes, you just look at this, the question becomes half into integration of 2 cos mx into cos nx dx. Now we can directly apply the formula. This half as it is integration of cos A plus B. In place of A we have mx, in place of B we have nx, plus cos A minus B. Now you can understand this. So when we take x as common and then we add it, we get cos of m plus n into x plus cos of m minus n into x. Now we got two different functions, addition functions, so we can split the integration. So the integration becomes half into integration of cos m plus n in nx dx plus half into cos m minus n x dx. Now if you look at this, this is here cos linear function is there, power of x is 1, so we can use this formula. Integration of cos ax plus b is equal to sin ax plus b divided by derivative of ax plus b. We are applying the formula half as it is. Integration of cos m plus nx is equal to sin m plus nx divided by derivative of m plus nx plus half into the same formula, and derivative of m plus n into x is m plus n. So we got the final answer. I hope you understand this sum. Now we can move on to the next problem. The next one is the same question when m is equal to n, meaning in place of n we can substitute m, in place of m we can substitute n. So the question can be rewritten. Actually in this place of n I have substituted m, so cos square mx. Previously in the previous videos we learned how to solve this type of problem because we have direct formula for cos square x. The formula is 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Cos square x means this 2 can be brought down. Similarly, here I have multiplied and divided by 2, so that we get this half 2 cos square mx dx. So 2 cos square mx can be written as, using this formula it can be 2 cos square mx can be written as 1 plus cos 2 mx, and then we can split the integration. So half into integration of dx plus half into integration of cos 2 mx. It is a linear function. Again we can use this formula. Cos of linear function is equal to sin linear function divided by derivative of linear function. We can use that concept here. So derivative of dx is, integration of dx is x, this 1 by 2 as it is, plus half into integration of cos 2 mx is sin 2 mx divided by derivative of 2mx plus c. So the final answer is x by 2 plus half into sin 2mx divided by derivative of 2mx is 2m plus c. I hope you understand this question clearly. Now we can move on to the next question. The next question is evaluate integration of sin mx into sin 2x dx. We do not have any direct formula to substitute for this integration, so we have to use trigonometric identity. We have the formula that 2 sin A cos B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. We are going to use that technique here. So the question, I wrote the question here as it is: 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Here two sine functions are in multiplication. We are converting them into subtraction so that we can do the integration separately. So we are using this formula. So 2 sine, so in order to have 2 here, I am multiplying and dividing by 2. Now it comes to the formula here. In place of A we have 3x, in place of B we have 2x. So the question becomes cos A minus B, 3x minus 2x, that is x, minus cos A plus B, so 3x plus 2x, 5x dx. Now the product form is converted into addition or subtraction form. So now we can do the separate integration. So half into integration of cos x dx minus half into integration of cos 5x. We know that integration of cos x dx is sin x, minus half as it is. Integration of cos 5x means it is a cos linear function, hence sin 5x divided by derivative of 5x. We know that derivative of 5x is 5, 5 into 2 is 10. So we got the answer for this question as well. Now we will move on to the next question. The next question is evaluate integration of cos 3x into sin 2x dx. We have a product form of trigonometric function here. It will be difficult for us to continue with this, so we have to convert this product form into addition form or subtraction form. So we have to look for any trigonometric formula using which we can convert them from product form to addition or subtraction form. What we can use is, we have the formula that 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. You just look at the formula. 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. We are just going to use this formula, but before that, here we do not have 2, but here we have 2 in the formula. So we have to multiply and divide by 2 so that the question can be converted into this form. So in place of A we have 3x, in place of B we have 2x. So sin A plus B becomes sin 5x and then minus sin x. So now this integration can be split into two different integration. This is the first integration is sine of linear function. The formula is minus cos 5x divided by derivative of this 5x minus half as it is. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Then by doing further simplification we get the answer. I hope you understand this question also. Now we will move on to the next question. Evaluate integration of cos 4x into cos dx. It is two trigonometric functions are in multiplication. As you know, it has to be converted into addition or subtraction. So we have to look for the trigonometric formula in which this can be converted into this product form. We have 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, but here we have 2, here we do not have 2, so I am multiplying and dividing by 2, and then we are using this formula, we are getting this concept. Then we can split into two different integration. This is cos linear function, so sin 5x divided by derivative of 5x, derivative of 5x is 5. Here integration of cos 3x is sin 3x, derivative of 3x is 3. Then by doing further simplification, we are getting this answer. I hope you understand all these problems we have seen in the video. Thank you students. Thanks for your cooperation.